Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe we're going to be making a combo, a jollof rice combo that will not be having tomatoes. Yes, and so we'll be needing beetroot, some carrots, some kind of pepper. You can add habanero pepper depending on how hot you want your jollof rice to be. So I added some, and then I'll be adding onions as much as you can, because onions add some nice flavor to your jollof rice. Now I'll be adding some curry and thyme. I added garlic. I didn't add ginger because I'll be using dry ginger. Add some bay leaf to this combo. Add a little water. We are doing pot roasting for now. That's what we're going to do, but we need some water to be able to steam the carrots and the beetroot. So after a while the water will dry up and then it will kind of roast. That gives it some nice flavor. As you can see here, the water has already drained and the bottom part of it is kind of roasting to give your jollof rice some nice, really nice flavor. Try this and let me know in the comment section if how it came out. Look at it, how it is. So we're going to be blending all of this together, but before blending, depending on your blender, if your blender can tolerate heat, fine. If not, please allow it to cool off before you start blending. So at this point I'm going to allow it to cool down a bit before I blend. It has cooled down for some minutes now, so the next thing is for me to blend. So I shared it into two. I did a 2-portion blending. Yes, if this is your first time of coming across my video, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for watching even to this point. Please comment, like and share. And if you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe for more videos. Please let me know in the comment section if you have another recipe that can be used for jollof rice that does not have tomato. So at this point I'll be blending this portion that I took in. In fact, when I blended it, it's so nice. You will hardly believe that this is a puree for jollof rice without put it down on the how to make. Please put it down in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm done blending this for set, so I'm going to be turning it to a disposable plate because I want to keep it for later. I'm not using it now. Look how thick it is. Look how it is. It's so nice. You know, I showed someone and I was like, can you tell what this is? And the person said it's tomato paste. And I couldn't help but laugh. And now I'm going in with the second part of it. So you add some water so that it can make the blending easy. This is the final part. I've done the first set and this is the last part I'm doing. So if you don't have tomatoes and you want to make some delicious jollof rice, no problem. I I did, and it was look how colorful it is. If you want it to be more reddish than this, you can go in with more beetroot. With the blend of this will give you more redness. See how thick it is, very thick. See, you can hardly tell that this is not tomato puree. You can hardly tell. Look how nice it is. So some spilled while I was trying to open the blender. While I clean up the area, and see my 2 containers. Look how they're looking. So yummalicious, so delicious. So let's pack it now and store it till when we'll be needing it for use. So you can do this, keep it in your freezer and use it anytime you want to prepare your jollof.